Go!
Good morning everyone. My name is Lucio Manuel Liambatan and my partner is Nick Victor Hilo Chavez. So today, we are going to do is disassemble and assemble on a computer.
The first step we are going to do is open the chassis. After we open the chassis is unpin all the wires. You need to pull it out. After you pull out all the wires is you need to unscrew the PSU, the power supply unit, using the screwdriver. After you unscrew the PSU, is remove the power supply unit. After you remove the power supply unit, is you need to unscrew the motherboard using the Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the motherboard.
After you unscrew the motherboard, pull it out from the chassis and remove the heatsink, CPU, and the memory.
Now we are done in disassembling. Now we are going to do is assemble. First thing we are going to do is input the central processing unit on the motherboard. Second is insert the storage card on the memory slot. The next step is screw the heatsink fan. After you are done assembling the motherboard, is put the motherboard on the chassis. After you put the motherboard on the chassis, is you need to screw the motherboard.
After you screw the MOBO, insert the HDD back, connect all the wires, put back the cover of the chassis, and screw it.